Hi, this is Jack McKenna of Land Data Plus. Today we're going to be discussing a demo of Correlator3D LiDAR and photogrammetric software. From a demo dated August 2025, presenter David Alamilo of SimActive, and compiled notes by photogrammetrist Jack McKenna. Initial items to verify. Determine if USGS or vendor sensor calibration certificate is provided. Establish naming convention for EOF/TIFF images. Apply EPSG code for control extension, .TIFF. Acquire a Planix lat long if available. Camera and control information. Camera calibration file, pitch, yaw, kappa. Principal point from the calibration report. Ground control or checkpoints in state plane. Projection is locked in. Confirm NAD 83 zone if relevant. File and system efficiency. Use SSD or local drive, never USB 2.0. Confirm images in correct locations. Confirm image IDs. Obtain AOI, that's the area of interest, shapefile, from the pilot or the client. Aerial triangulation. Use flight line editing tool. Remove excess mistakes. Automated workflow equals small edits needed. Profile AT, DSM, and DTM outputs. Ground control points and workflow. Tag each GCP, check coordinate order, XYZ versus YEX, that could be US versus Canadian. Metric sensor auto templates. Scripting available in software. Processing notes. Digital surface model, digital terrain model. Check the correct mode. Snow, water, forests equals extra LiDAR ground control points may be needed. Sensor can be calibrated. Acceptable image error, 0.5 of a pixel. Output and deliverables. Edit the digital service model if needed. True-ortho, yes or no. Color balance. Create tiling scheme. Re-rectify to reduce pixel size if required. Typical data set can be 500 to 600 images. Weekend batch processing as possible. Templates plus Python scripts in install directory. Conclusion. Correlator3D enables a streamlined photogrammetry and LiDAR workflow, from import, calibration, and aerial triangulation to digital surface model, digital terrain model creation, and final ortho production. Success relies on accurate calibration and metadata, properly tagged ground control points and coordinate checks, efficient data handling and SSD processing, careful QC of the digital surface model and the digital terrain model, and imagery outputs. Additional comprehensive land administration information is available in the Jack McKenna book, a land administration toolkit, available on Amazon. My email address is jack_McKenna@landdataplus.com.